This bombshell patent makes Zebec the best deal at 0009. Okay, so be sure to check this out. We'll get into this next, but as always, cue my guy Indigo Saint. Let's get it. Boom.
Let's get it. Indigo Saint in the building. Blackrue Investing. Let's go.
Who's this producer? Best believe I was Blackrue Investing. With your money, you ain't gotta be guessing. Profits is what we manifesting. So we binge on that Blackrue Investing. Best believe I was Blackrue Investing. Got course in this race, we ain't resting. We got stocks, we got crypto with a blessing. So thank God for that Blackrue Investing. Best believe I was Black.
What is up, crypto warriors? What is up, Blackrue crew? Yeah, we're in here. We're in here. Hopefully my mic is good. Let me go ahead, look at the chat. What's up, Keyshawn Petgrave? What is up, Simpu Ishigami? What's up, Kid Grabo? Let's go ahead and share the screen right quick. Okay, awesome. So this Zebec patent, like, basically is going to change the game. All right. Okay, so can everyone hear me? Okay, I just want to make sure that I'm heard. Okay. Well, I have one channel. My channel is Ruel Black, the Crypto Rue podcast. I'm seeing some comments here, but also I live stream on the Gentleman of Crypto. Shout out to Gentleman of Crypto. Shout out to King. He brings the best news in the morning. We also have Trek with 2Ks giving you the weekend crypto update. We also have Crypto and Down. We also have Simon Family Investments. Shout out to Aaron. So yeah, just one channel. Okay, I can be heard. Okay, because it doesn't sound like it normally sounds in my ear here, so it sounds a little weird here. But yeah, we want to get into some patent information today, and also we want to get into um, the team of Zebec here. Okay, um, so we'll save the patent information for a little bit at the end here. But here, what I'm really discovering with Zebec is kind of a two-headed giant, starting with Simon Babakani, I think is how you would say his name. So Simon Babakami, okay, Babakani, excuse me. Um, this guy here is like a boss. I was looking somewhere. He was like top of his class in high school in Canada. I found some information there with that. But also here, he's been doing like mergers and acquisitions for at least the last 6 years. Okay, this is his LinkedIn profile. So, um, and then he founded and he went on to found and manage his own thing, which is Payroll Growth Partners. Okay, now Payroll Growth Partners, they ended up purchasing PayBridge. Okay, so if we go to the Zebec, I made a little Zebec mind map here. So shout out to my Twitter. So I made this little Zebec mind map, and I made it and I put it on my Twitter, my X, for you guys. So if you want to have something quick that you can kind of explain Zebec to people, I think this will be a good tool. So definitely go to my Twitter and subscribe to my Twitter/X if you haven't already, and you can utilize this to explain Zebec to folks. Okay. On this one, I didn't put my name on this one, but if you want, I put my name on one below here if you want to share this to people instead, so it knows, they know to come back to my Twitter. You can do that. But if you want to expose this one that has more views or whatever on it, that's fine too. Just wanted to make you guys aware of that. And let's go back to Simon's page here. So yeah, so Simon bought, or he acquired, because since he's great at mergers and acquisitions, he acquired PayBridge. Okay, so PayBridge, we go to our mind map over here. Simon's actually the one who acquired PayBridge. And if we go to Zebec's website and show this instead, you'll see Payroll Growth Partners, and then you'll see PayBridge. And PayBridge is the company that Tony Chiveles founded. He founded that 19 years ago. And this is, I mean, I guess you could say it's a three-headed giant if you include Tony here. But really, since Simon acquired the company, I guess you can say it's a three-headed giant of Sam and Simon. Okay, but you could throw Tony in there as well. Okay, so then let's get to the patent. Okay, I wasn't able to verify one of these patents, but I'll be on the lookout for it. But Sam, he's a truly smart guy. Truly smart guy, self-made guy, Nepalese man. Like I was really impressed when I looked into his story. He came over here from Nepal, and just created all of these patents and all of these things. So let's start with the best one here. So shout out to Mr. Moon for this. I think Jetpack, shout out to Jetpack JO. We share his stuff around here. Definitely check out his X if you haven't already. He posts great information on Zebec, great information on TuneIn Radio. So definitely check out Jetpack if you haven't already. I think Jetpack was the first person to bring this to my attention. But Mr. Moon posted this information, and he follows me and I'm following him. So here we go. So Sam Thatpalia from Zebec holds a streaming patent that is the linchpin bringing real-world assets to life. Without this patent, Ondo's USDY would be an A standard stablecoin. Okay, so he harvested Gronk and got this information, because I know I could not find this information. It would not give me this information, but founded by Sam, Zebec is a blockchain company focused on real-time payment streaming. Real-time payment streaming. That's very important. Real-world asset tokenization and decentralized infrastructure DePIN, and it operates on the Nautilus chain. Partnership with Ondo Finance announced May 9th, 2024. Zebec integrated Ondo's USDY, a tokenized note backed by short-term U.S. treasuries and bank deposits, into its payment systems, including RageLink, instant cards, and real-world asset payments. Okay, now here's the important part. Sam Thatpalia's background, co-founder of Split 2015-2018, where he developed streaming payment technology, leading to patents that Zebec builds upon. Split was acquired by Booking Holdings in 2018 for $1.1 billion, validating the value of his IP. Sam's patents stem from Split, where he developed real-time payment streaming technology. So if you know about Zebec, you know they have the real-time payments. They can do instant payments, and this is Sam's patent. Okay, exact numbers aren't public, but Split's success acquired for $1.1 billion, and Zebec's tech indicate proprietary IP filed between 2015 and 2018, later adapted for blockchain. Key patent feature: continuous real-time payment streaming, confirmed by Zebec's products like WageLink, which streams payments per second, a capability Swit pioneered and Zebec refined for crypto. Exclusivity. No other blockchain project replicates this exact streaming mechanism for real-world assets at Zebec scale. Competitors, i.e. Superfluid, focus on generic flows, not real-world asset-specific settlement. Fact. Connecting the patent to real-world, USDY and real-world assets. How it works. Zebec uses SAM's streaming patent to process USDY payouts instantly. For example, payroll companies pay employees in USDY via WageLink, streaming wages per second with treasury yields. Depend. Point of sale terminals settle in USDY transactions in real time for merchants. Real world asset impact. USDY represents tokenized treasuries in a real world asset. Sam's patent makes it liquid and usable. Very, very important. Turning a static asset into a continuous cash flow. A fact underscored by Zebec's claim of empowering businesses and individuals to manage finances with immediacy. Sam Tapalia, May 2024. Let me read that one more time. Very, very, very impactful. USDY represents tokenized treasuries, a real world asset. Sam's patent makes it liquid and usable, turning a static asset into a continuous cash flow. A fact underscored by Zebec's claim of empowering businesses and individuals to manage finances with immediacy. Sam Tapalia, May 2024. Boom. Boom, right? Unique necessity. Without this patent, USDY would be a standard stablecoin with periodic yields. Zebec's tech, rooted in Sam's IP, enables atomic real-time settlement of its value, a capability no other partner offers. Ondo. So when we went through on this and we said that Zebec and Ondo are partnered, they're definitely partnered because Zebec offers them this unique tech, this highly unique tech. So just really, really bombshell news there. Thanks to Mr. Moon for that. Hands down, to me, that makes Zebec the best deal at 0.0009, 3 zeros and a 9, so 0.00958. Hands down, the best deal at where it is right now. Okay, you go take a look at it on the chart here. We see sitting at a pretty good price, pretty close to oversold, so probably going to bounce back at some point here. But the point is, my price target for this is 5 cents. But with all the partners it has, all the tech it has, you could definitely see it going beyond 5 cents. But sitting right here at this price, I mean, you can't really beat this. In my opinion, not financial advice. We can't really beat it, in my opinion. We go here to the day chart. Let's add one more. The lowest it's ever been is 0.0066. I don't foresee us getting to there at all. Again, if this is going to get to 5 cents, the best deal is right now at 0.0000096, right? Could it go a little bit lower? Who cares when you're thinking about 5 cents, right? Anything at 0.009 is a bargain, in my opinion. So let's go and look at something else here from Sam, where Sam has multiple US patents for streaming video, system and method for in-video product placement and in-video purchasing capability using augmented reality. So you can see he took the purchasing and he applied that kind of same thing to video. And this is his actual factual name, which I'm going to say this like accurately in Nepalese, or you know, he's from Nepal, so I don't know exactly how to say that accurately. So I'm just going to stick with Sam. But he has that patent. He has another one, system and method for in-video product placement and in-video purchasing augmented reality. Okay, I guess this is a little bit different than the one above because it has a different publication number and a different date. System and method for in-video product placement and video purchasing capability using augmented reality. Another different patent number. So, system and method for in-video product placement and in-video purchasing capability using augmented reality with automatic continuous user authentication. So, according to Justia Patents, these four are his. Okay. So Sam, very, very smart guy. And you can kind of say that Sam would be the tech behind Zebec. If we go back to the leadership team, Sam would be the tech behind Zebec. And Simon would be kind of the business side behind Zebec. Okay. What I was looking at today was payroll growth partners. If we share this tab instead, you see that we got Simon and some other crew here, but we got Elena here, Lisa Robbins, and George here. So we got like half, if we go back to Zebec here, we got half of this kind of team here. Simon, Elena again, and then we go in advisors, we see Lisa Robbins, George Steckert. I'm going to say Steckert. So seems like it's half Simon's team and half Sam's team, because Sam seems like he really wants to employ people from Nepal. Not saying that these guys are Nepali, but maybe I'm thinking from their names, these guys might be Nepali. Ashish and Nilesh. So I think we probably have half Sam's team and half, this is my guess here, half Simon's team. So it was really interesting to look into these two guys. They definitely seem like leaders and pioneers, Sam and Simon, which gives me just more faith into this project. And knowing that they have this like pioneering tech gives me even more faith into the project. But yeah, let's go back to payroll partners here. Our team has led over $2 billion in investment and acquisition-based growth strategies. In here, you know, they say acquires school payroll services. We've been over that before. Adds to PayBridge family. We already told you that PGP purchased PayBridge. So again, we see here that Simon's kind of the moving side behind the business side of Zebec. But let's go ahead and get some of your questions here. As always, definitely put questions over on the side here, and we will get to them towards the end of the show. But we can take some of them actually right now. I'm really, really pumped and enthused about that patent, and knowing that that's Zebec specific tech. That really, really, really excites me about this position. But yeah, let's get to some of the comments. What's up, Keyshawn Petgrave? Shalom. What's up, Sinku Ichigami? What's good? Peace, peace. Kid Graybo. Tito Wilson, Blackrue. Appreciate you, brother. Hitter all day. Zebec is a steal. I get paid tomorrow and watch the price be up. That's how it be, my brother. That's how it be. What's up, Bobby T? John, what up, Root Crew? I'm on the Zebec train. Hard. Uphold fees are kind of rough though. Yeah, those uphold fees are really, really rough. What's up, WF Capital? Appreciate you coming through again, brother. Stingy Bayberry, let's go. Good afternoon, Rue and crew. Okay, we're liking the sound. I went and got a sound muff to make it better sound. So I'm glad that's working out. Simon, LinkedIn kind of looks like a well, yeah, but that's him. Trust me. I went and looked and I saw his like high school picture. This is him. This is him. Um, Ruel, the source for Zebec. Thank you, Steve. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. We thank you for bringing it to us. Sewell Boy 14 was up. E out here. What's up, E? E's in the Telegram. I think E was actually maybe the first person to bring Z back to my attention. So shout out to E. Rue, what's good? We ready for it. We ready. We hear it. Okay, got you. And E sharing the Telegram in the chat. Telegram is completely free for now. That may change in the future, though. Bobby T joined. Thank you for joining the channel, Bobby T. Appreciate it. Very much appreciate it. Les Square, good evening, room. New Jersey in the house. What's up, Henry Maldonado? What's up? Yo, everyone. What's up, Anon Mystic? Yeah, definitely check out the show. I was on Moonfeather's channel yesterday. Let me go ahead and bring up that here for you guys. Anon Mystic was on the show. Anon Mystic was dropping some DeFi and charting info for us. My first time meeting him, and he seems to know his stuff. Thank you for coming through, brother. It was a pleasure meeting you yesterday. Let me go ahead and bring up Mooney's channel here. So definitely go through and check out the show I did yesterday with Moonfeather guys. This is Mooney's channel. Definitely look out for the Mooneyverse because there's some other ones that have something close to this. So this will be her channel. Definitely go over and check out the show we did yesterday. So the first hour was me and Mooney. Then the second hour was me, Anon Mystic, Crypto Ronin, and Moonfeather. So definitely come over here and check that out. One thing else I just want to point out to you guys, if you go to my channel and you scroll down, I'm going to have to add your channel to this too, Anon Mystic. If you scroll down, you see all the channels we frequent. Definitely I got on the channel, Shook Focus Digital, Max Crypto. See Mooneyverse here. You see Gentleman of Crypto. You see my guy, MyC Odd App, Dion here at MyC Network, or MYC, excuse me, MYC Network. I always mess that up. MYC Odd App, my guy Dion there, Simon Family Investment, Benzinga, all those guys. But here's Crypto Ronin. We went live with Dustin and or with Anon Mystic and Mooney last night. Definitely check that out. Let's get back here to Mr. Simon. Continue going here. Shalom. Is DGB a goodbye again? Digibyte. I always know that Digibyte is one of the ones that's kind of like a good purchase, but specifically today we're talking Zebec. I'm so gaga about Zebec. Just knowing payroll and how payroll connects into BlackRock and Blackstone. Let's go back to our mind map here. So again, we kind of got you with the instant payments here. We went really over that today with the patent and how real world assets and USDY is very important to Zebec and Ondo. But another thing here to kind of understand is BlackRock and Blackstone. A lot of their assets under management come from payroll and like retirement, and people who handle that for them are ADP. So when we see that ADP, we go back to payroll partners, and we see that we got Lisa Robbins and we got George Steichert. Same guys, if we go back to now Zebec, we see that they got these ADP guys with Lisa Robbins, and George Steichert on board here. We can how this could also be very, very big for BlackRock in that you could do instant payment and real world assets and connect that to payroll. So I think that's very intriguing when you look at their partners and stuff like that and understand the BlackRock connection here. It just really, really, really sticks out to you. And in case you're wondering, okay, Ruel, where do you get that BlackRock connection from? Where's that coming from? That's coming from Ondo. So if you're not aware, Ondo Finance, they're almost the BlackRock coin. And we did a previous show on this. Definitely check that out, Zebec and Ondo connection. Just to show you very quickly here, you can see Securitize here. Securitize and Ondo are kind of tied. But if you go to ecosystem for Ondo here, and go look, you'll see that BlackRock is one service provider they list. And then if you go all the way down, it's in alphabetical order, by the way, you will see Zebec right here. So that's huge. And we understand now, given the patent, why that is huge. So you see that Zebec, of course, you see Stellar. And yeah. But then going back here to partners again, for Zebec, do they show circle? They should show circle. Yep, circle, because Zebec's wage link is USD payroll compliant. So as you can see here, so not only can it do instant payments, it's cross-border remittances, USD payroll, all of that kind of wrapped up into one with instant payments. Okay. What's up, sis? Pink hand waving. Hit that like button, Root Crew. Pink hand waving. ISO J, what up, all? What's up, ISO J? What's up, OG Crypto? Hey, Rue. I bought some ZBCN because of that sync last night. Appreciate it, brother. Yeah, man, that was a good show last night, guys. Definitely go check that out, man. Anon Mystic and Ronin, Crypto Ronin. These guys are DeFi guys. I don't cover DeFi that much on my channel, but these guys are excellent resources if you guys want to look at DeFi. Yeah, it was a pleasure, a definite pleasure last night, brother. Phantom Beat, Z's back. Back of Valley's XPR network, best play right now. XPR is also, you know, I'm on that Back of Valley. I'm also on XPR. Loving XPR as well. David Middleton, Zcash pumped today. Why? I'm currently trying to get a quick short. I'm not sure why Zcash pumped today. Maybe people are looking for privacy, but Zcash isn't really privacy, like for real privacy. Again, like look for Non-Mystic and Crypto Ronin for that. If you want like real privacy, I would look at Pirate Chain. But yeah, I'm not sure why Zcash pumped today. Jovan, Thanks for doing a Zebec video, bud. No problem. We're already hard not to keep buying it under 1.001. Exactly. Exactly. It really is hard. Uh, I might have to buy some more today after looking at this stuff, bro. Like seriously, I might have to buy some more today. Um, Need SHX to stay cheap a little bit longer. 100%. E Zebec network can be purchased on crypto.com. Crow, by the way, is running due to the AMA. Gotcha. Thank you, E. Pleasure meeting you too, brother. Look into Digibyte, the next big thing. Thank you, Z. See here. Kahlo 1985. Thank God someone is doing Zebec. We need more YouTubes covering this fat bags. I like that. I like that, bro. What's up, Tony S? Again in the house. Appreciate you, bro. I got 1.5 mil pushing for 5 mil by the end of the summer. Let's go A Train with the Raiders. Icon or emoji or I can't remember what the hell you call those things. Um, Phantom Beat. Any ZVAC Van Eck connections? Ooh, that'd be something to look into. Not that I can think of off the top of my head, but with BlackRock and Van Eck, I'm sure there's some crossover there. Charmizzle 21, Blackrue Crew checking in. You grabbed my attention on Zebec, XPR. Yeah, we'll be talking XPR on here at some point again, for sure. XPR ZBCN, Muscle, let's go. Pirate Chain, let's go. ARRR or R for that one. Abdul Kahar, Zebek to the moon. Let's go. And 22 million ZBCN. Let's go, Charmizzle. Let's go. 22 million. There we go. There we go. So one thing too, I just wanted to point out to you guys, as far as Zebec goes, it is pronounced Zebec, and it actually references, because it could be spelled this way or that way, a Mediterranean sailing ship. Okay, that was mostly used for trading. Zebecs had long overhanging bow spirits and an often missing offset missing mast. Okay, so that logo is not coincidence. It's not a coincidence that they were trying to go for a ship, because that's what it is, Zebec. Okay, so just for people who thought I botched the pronunciation, and I do botch pronunciations constantly, and would like to be corrected when I do. I'm not, like, for real. Like, definitely let me know. I know I'm fully aware that I speak with an accent. So, but in this case, it is actually Zebec. Okay, this is it spelled phonetically. So just want to point that out. But I also wanted to point out the symbolism, because with money, right? There's always water symbolism, currency, currency. You put your money in a bank, like a bank of water, a fiscal year, which is like fish, right? Fiscal year, money flow, liquidity. This patent makes everything more liquid. Okay. I'm probably missing a whole bunch of terms, right? We already know Ripple has the water, the Swift has the water logo. Like, there's so many things with money and water. So it makes sense here that they pick something water adjacent with a Zebec, a boat, right? A boat used for trading. And this is going to help trade money cross borders, kind of like a ship, right? So definitely got to throw a little bit of symbolism in there, because it's always important. It's always important. Izzy P. I will bank with 3 million coins this summer. Thanks for all your hard work, bro. I really appreciate it, guys. Really appreciate it, guys. So, yeah, that's what we want to hit you guys with. The patent. That patented technology really, really means a lot. And I think it puts Zebec a cut above the rest when it comes to payment specifically. And then when you throw in people like BlackRock and you throw in people like Blackstone, let's cover Blackstone right quick, because I know like there was a little confusion. I know shout out to Maximus Crypto, my buddy Max misspoke, and I was kind of tired that day, so I didn't correct him. Briar Capital is related to Zebec, as you can see. They're a leader, they're a lead investor, but Jim Breyer isn't. He is not the CEO. Sam is the CEO. Max misspoke a little bit on that one, but I just want to show you guys here. They are Jim Breyer is a lead investor here, so all the information we covered on that is not it is relevant. It is relevant. Okay, it is relevant. Okay, so he's a lead investor here, along with Shima Capital, and we've if you're familiar with my coverage on Swift, and shout out to Underdog Research Channel, he's gone over how Swift blockchain and Shima Capital are related with a company called MetaPath. And I've also shown you how on Nautilus chain, Swift blockchain is also connected to Zebec. So there's connections with Swift blockchain for Zebec as well. Okay. And here we go. Shima Capital, they're also a lead investor. And if we go to their website, you'll see their investments when it comes to DeFi. DeFi. We see not only do we have MetaPath here, but we also have Zebec. And just remember, MetaPath is the other end of Swift blockchain. So again, and again, these companies are partnered. So just remember that. Just wanted to hit you with that little piece of information before we take off. Thank you guys for coming through. Definitely share. For the word here, let's put in for the word to share. Put on the comments. Let's put ship. Okay, for Zebec, because that's what it is. It's a ship. So for our word to put in the comments, this helps share the video around to everyone. Put the word ship. Okay, SHIP, ship. Thank you guys so much for coming through. Now, for real, I'm out.